Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired February 2nd, 2026. The topic of that episode was recognizing the influence of truth. Swami, your insights.
Life is perfect, everywhere, always, for those who have eyes to see. However, only conscious awareness reveals its omnipotence and omnipresence.
Looking to reflect perfection? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam